Okay, so anyone that knows me knows that we do a lot of printing here, and as a result, I have a lot of filament. I'm not just talking like 10 or 15 rolls. At any given moment, I have anywhere from 200 to 300 rolls of filament in different colors and multiples of the same color in some cases. So, I need a place to store all this filament. So there's a company out there that's called Repcord, R-E-P-K-O-R-D, and this is one of the items that they sell. And the file's actually available for free off of Prusa, but you can buy them pre-cut if you don't want to print out your own. Of course, we have several printers here, so we're printing our own. These are the hangers. There is a cleat that you screw into the wall that supports the hanger, and we are going to be using these to put the rack up on that wall. So, wish me luck. Happy printing. We'll see you at the next one.